Getting Started with Digital Marketing, a step-by-step guide for dental office owners. Introduction. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for the success of any business, including dental offices. Digital marketing offers an array of opportunities to reach and engage with potential patients, increase brand visibility, and grow your dental practice. If you're a dental office owner looking to harness the power of digital marketing, this step-by-step video guide will walk you through the essential strategies and techniques to get started. 1. Define your digital marketing goals. Before diving into the world of digital marketing, it's important to define your goals. What do you want to achieve through your online presence? Is it to attract new patients, increase appointment bookings, or enhance brand awareness? By clearly identifying your objectives, you can tailor your digital marketing efforts accordingly. 2. Build a professional website. A well-designed, user-friendly website serves as the foundation for your digital marketing efforts. Your dental office's website should reflect your brand identity and provide essential information to potential patients. Optimize your website for both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring fast loading times and easy navigation. Incorporate relevant keywords such as dental office, dentist, and location-specific terms to improve your search engine rankings. 3. Conduct keyword research. Keyword research plays a vital role in optimizing your website for search engines. Identify relevant keywords and phrases that potential patients are likely to use when searching for dental services in your area. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you discover high-ranking keywords with reasonable search volumes. Incorporate these keywords naturally throughout your website's content, including page titles, headings, and meta descriptions. 4. Content marketing strategy. Developing a content marketing strategy is key to establishing your dental office as an authoritative source and attracting organic traffic to your website. Create informative and engaging blog posts, articles, and videos related to oral health, dental procedures, and oral hygiene tips. Incorporate LSI keywords mentioned earlier naturally within your content. Regularly publish new content to keep your website fresh and encourage visitors to return. 5. Social media engagement. Social media platforms provide excellent opportunities to connect with potential patients and increase brand visibility. Identify the platforms most relevant to your target audience, such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Share engaging and educational content, including oral health tips, before and after photos, patient testimonials, and updates about your dental practice. Encourage interaction and respond promptly to comments and inquiries to foster a sense of trust and engagement. 6. Local SEO optimization. For dental office owners, local SEO optimization is crucial to attracting patients in your specific area. Register your dental practice on online directories, such as Google My Business, Yelp, and Bing Places. Ensure your business name, address, and phone number (NAP) are consistent across all listings. Encourage patients to leave positive reviews, as they play a significant role in building trust and attracting new patients. 7. Paid advertising. To accelerate your digital marketing efforts, consider implementing paid advertising campaigns. Platforms like Google Ads and social media advertising allow you to target specific demographics, locations, and interests. Experiment with different ad formats, such as search ads, display ads, and video ads, to find the best strategy for your dental office. Set a budget, monitor your campaigns regularly, and optimize them based on performance metrics. 8. Email marketing campaigns. Email marketing is an effective tool for nurturing relationships with existing patients and reaching out to potential ones. Develop an email list by offering a newsletter subscription on your website or through an office sign UPS. Send regular newsletters containing valuable content, such as oral hygiene tips, information about new services, and exclusive offers. Personalize your emails whenever possible and ensure they are mobile-friendly. 9. Monitor analytics and adjust. Digital marketing is an ongoing process that requires monitoring and analysis. Utilize tools like Google Analytics to gain insights into your website's performance, user behavior, and conversion rates. Track key metrics such as website traffic, bounce rates, click-through rates, and appointment bookings. Based on these analytics, make data-driven decisions and adjust your digital marketing strategies accordingly. Conclusion. As a dental office owner, embracing digital marketing is vital to stay competitive and grow your practice in today's digital landscape. By following this step-by-step guide, you can establish a strong online presence, attract new patients, and foster long-term relationships. Remember to stay up to date with the latest digital marketing trends and adapt your strategies to meet the evolving needs of your target audience. With dedication and a well-executed digital marketing plan, your dental office can thrive in the digital realm. FAQ 1. Why is digital marketing important for? Dental office owners. Digital marketing allows dental office owners to reach and engage with a larger audience, attract new patients, increase brand visibility, and stay competitive in today's digital landscape. 2. How can I optimize my dental office? Website for search engines. Optimize your dental office website by conducting keyword research and incorporating relevant keywords naturally throughout your content. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly, has fast loading times, and provides valuable information to visitors. 3. What are some effective social media strategies for dental offices? Engage with potential patients on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Share informative content, patient testimonials, before and after photos, and interact with your audience to build trust and brand loyalty. 4. How can I attract local patients through digital marketing? Implement local SEO optimization strategies such as registering your dental practice on online directories, ensuring consistent business information, and encouraging positive patient reviews. This helps attract local patients searching for dental services. 5. How can I measure the success of my digital marketing efforts? Utilize tools like Google Analytics to monitor key metrics such as website traffic, bounce rates, click-through rates, and appointment bookings. Analyze the data to make informed decisions and adjust your strategies accordingly. Thank you for watching. For more info about digital marketing for dentists, please visit our website Digital Dyad.